So I can take my ratchet and tighten that tensioner back up. The bolt right here, which is a 16 millimeter. And then we should be good to go. It was squealing yesterday. I guess that was the sign that it was getting ready to fray off, because I bought some belt conditioner to stop the squeal, and it stopped it for maybe about 10 minutes. Stuff's a joke. I wouldn't even waste any more money on it. So, alright. Let me double check, make sure I got everything. Oh, that looks a little off. Let me crank it up and see what happens. Itself once it started running, so we're all good to go. And that's how you change the serpentine belt on the 11 Dodge Challenger.